What's up, fellers? Got my CPU right here. Just in my backyard. Yesterday I had went out to Home Depot, and got some. No, it wasn't Home Depot. It was Walmart. Walmart. I went out to Walmart. I got some. I guess they're like sponge pads, but they're like for sanding and stuff. And yeah, before I leave today, I'm going to paint a little bit of paint. I'm surprised, honestly. I think the rain actually helped. The damage really isn't that bad, and I'll show you the damage, but it's really not that bad. Let me just finish this up. Anywho, so my little camera going off, but I got these coarse pads, and as you can see, I kind of smoothed it out. You know, it's very smoothed out a little bit. Basically, I'm just gonna take a little paint to that. This, I'm probably just gonna leave it. I just got this one spot right here. I think this should be all right. Honestly, it's really just this spot, and the handlebar. Honestly, the handlebar is leavable. I think the brake is honestly pretty straight. It was really just this spot right here, and then I'm gonna have my mechanic deal with this. It's set up enough to where it's rideable, but I got to get my mechanic because this thing's stuck. I tried using a little hammer or whatever, and yeah, I could not hammer this thing. If you see that right there, I could not hammer that back. So I'm gonna see what my mechanic can do. I'm gonna see if he has like a blowtorch or something to straighten this brake out, and then honestly, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of paint right here. But besides that, I mean, honestly, it's pretty straight. A little bit of paint right here. I mean, I can have some black paint, so I'll just touch that up a little bit. And other than that, and then I'm gonna try reseating this thing. I gotta reseat it. I think there's a little bit of damage right here, but we'll see. I'm probably gonna use I'm gonna use that paint from Home Depot to see if it works, matches good before I put it on the other side. I could buy touch-up paint, but I mean, honestly, like it's not a crazy big deal, low key. For what it was, and I'm just debating. I'm not sure if I should get frame sliders, because like, well, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just feel like frame sliders really aren't like needed, to be honest with you. Like, I feel like this thing right here, honestly, is like a really good frame slider. Like, maybe to protect the fairings, but like, that engine's not gonna be touched. Like, me going down, the only thing that went down was this thing. Like, this thing, it slid on this thing and slid on that thing. So, I mean, realistically speaking, I mean, there's... Maybe I would add like a thing on here. But, what does that sound? Anyways. Yeah, so I just need some touch-up paint for that, and that's about it. And I'm gonna see if I can get some paint for that as well. Everything's good. I think I need new tires though. I wasn't able to see what the age of these tires were or not. I think I'm just going to. I think I'm gonna get, since obviously I have the money for it, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this bike is gonna be something that I'm gonna be riding a lot, or I plan to ride a lot. So I'm gonna buy good tires, really good tires. It's a really great bike, and I want to not die on it. I don't want to die riding. I mean, Obviously, one day I do. I mean, that's the only way I want to go out, but I don't want to die yet. And I want to put many, many miles on my bike. So that's really the plan, is to get the bike fixed up, get better tires on it, brand new tires, brand new good tires. I'm gonna look up what brands. I got a great deal on the bike. I got a great deal. I paid $2,700 for a bike with 4,000 miles. So, really good bike. For $2,700, I mean, you can't beat that with a freaking short thumb, dude. You can't. It's like brand new. Like, you cannot beat it at all. So my goal is to try to keep it. I like the bike too. It's really comfortable. But yeah, let's go to Home Depot. Let's get at it.
Would have any fire hazards inside her home.
She was scared of fire? That wasn't Miss Young. He had ruled this as an accidental death.
However, there is one detail from the autopsy that gives investigators pause.
We are now at the Home Depot. So I got the Rust-Oleum, and I got some tape and a bunch of bags, and I got the 2X Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover, which ChatGPT said would work. And then I got, for the exhaust, I had got the Rust-Oleum High Heat Black. I'm hoping that would work for my painting needs. If it does work good, then pretty excited about that, because the touch-up paint online was like it was about like $60, $100. So yeah, dude, I'm telling you, my chest hurts so much. I still want to go to the hospital. It's not bruised or anything by any means. It's not bruised. It doesn't look, I think it's really because of the airbag system and landing on it hard. Airbag saved my life, you know. So I think it's really just that, just being roughed up. My foot hurts. Hopefully it doesn't get infected when I go back to work, but I don't think it will. But I'm telling you, it hurts like a son of a gun. I don't want to do that again. I'm buying new tires, dude. I'm definitely buying new tires. Once I figure out the age of them, and then I'm buying new ones. Low key, I'm stopping to get a little snack. And guess where I'm going to? Walmart. I'm going to Walmart. And yes, I go at an angle when I go down a little street, because you know, I don't want to hurt my car. It's my baby. Yeah, I mean, it sucks that I crashed the bike, but I think out of all the situations, it was more of like a lesson, maybe, like with tire stuff. You know, I mean, I got injured, but like, it's not like that bad. The damage on my bike isn't that bad. So like, low key, like, I'm kind of blessed, to be honest with you. I really am blessed. You know, I really am blessed. like seriously, like I am glad that the repairs are only like, the repairs are $50 pretty much. I mean, do it myself, you know. And then the damage on my body, well, I mean, I chose not to go to the hospital, so I don't know if there's really any serious things, but I mean, all it is just pain, and I think it's fine. So I mean, I can still feel my body, so I think I'm doing good there. That's how you know. If you can't feel nothing, you got a big problem. If you can feel something, probably all right. If you're not spitting on blood, you're definitely all right. Don't take my advice. I ain't no doctor, but I'm just saying, I ain't really got the best health insurance, so I mean, I have health insurance, but it don't cover nothing because it's the northern insurance. I do a traveling job. So, but anyways, I'm gonna go get the snack, and then we'll get back to fixing the bike. Dude, I got them. And if you guys don't know, Walmart Deli is freaking sweet, dude. I'll show you. They're called Monderos, plantain Monderos. $1.27, dude. A restaurant would have charged me like $8 for this. I ate some already. I already ate some. These things are freaking delicious, bro. I'm telling you, these things are freaking... $1.27, bro. $1.27. You talking about good? We talking about good, bro. These are the best things ever, bro. It's like a reward. Also, I had got Monster Zero. You already know, bro. Dude, I get an energy drink every day. I know it's bad for your heart. I walk like 15 miles a day. In the freaking heat. Over 50 miles. 13 hours a day. I'm not worried about an energy drink killing me. Probably gonna die in fucking the hot weather. So, I walk a lot, dude. Holy smokes. This is so good. It's like plantains, but it tastes like bananas. Or like a better version of banana. Anyways, back to it. I'll see you guys when I get home. So we got all the bike stuff. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, well, pull it up on here so we can get a little bit of sun coverage, a little bit of air to dry it out, and yeah, that way it can dry and I can give it a second coat before I leave for work. Now with the high heat paint, I'm gonna have to turn it on. Ooh, that's fine. Zoomers. Okay, I got the bike up here to get more damage right there. Oh, got some more damage over here. So I'm just gonna be just wiping all this stuff down. And I'm gonna just be spraying it. Making it look as much better as we can. I'm gonna spray this stuff a little bit too with the black paint. And yeah, pretty much. Not gonna be perfect, of course, but you know, whatever. So I was looking on the tires, and the tires are definitely I got this paint mark messed up. I mean, you can tell that I painted on it, but like closely, like it's not crazy noticeable. No big deal. I'm gonna do that one. Next, I did the little exhaust thing, and not a lot of you can really tell. I guess that's about it. I'm gonna leave that real quick. Tried doing that, but I'm not gonna lie, it's black and not stick. I think that's about it. Over here, I tried doing the low key kind of not that great, but good enough, I guess. Same things over here. You can see, look at that. I was trying to get that spot, but I wasn't able to, and then I ended up from there and there. So, whatever. But feeling decent. I think it's worth the money. I don't know how much I spent. It was like 15 bucks. So, yeah. But anyways, ciao.